Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Aftab Mandal and in this video I'm going to talk about collections in Java. So if we first see the definition of this collection in Java, it states that a collection is a framework which provides an architecture to store and manipulate group of objects. Or in simple words we can say that a collection is a single unit of objects which has interfaces and classes. In interfaces, we have link and hash and set, and in classes, we have array list or linked list and many other things, which we will talk about in the hierarchy of collections. So, in this video, we will see what is the need of collections. So, as we know, if we want to store any element or data, we use primitive data types like int and float or many other data types. But what if we want to store multiple elements? Then we had an answer. We use arrays to store multiple elements. But still, array has a one drawback that we need to first specify its length. So, and we cannot dynamically change its length. So that one drawback is overcome with the help of collections. In collections, we can store n number of elements as per our need. We can remove element or we can store element as per our need. This overcome the limitation of arrays because we don't need to specify length here. If a programmer wants to add or remove elements, he can simply use array list, in which we can also store heterogeneous or homogeneous elements. So the limitation of array, which was we can only store similar type of data types. This was also overcome in this array list. Here we can store string data type as well as int data type by using the. But if we want similar data types to be stored, we use generics inside the greater than or less than symbol. We can specify uh, which type of elements we want to store. But if we are using collections, we cannot use the primitive data types here. So we need to use wrapper classes. That simply means uh, if we want to store an int, then we cannot write int. We need to wrap. We need to use wrapper class. That means we need to use integer. Or if you want to store double values, then we need simply use the double wrapper class value. So this also makes sure that if we are using collections, then we are achieving 100% object orientation by not using primitive data types here. So uh, that was all about collections in Java, and we will see the types and hierarchy of collections in the next video. That was all from my side. I hope you learned something new in this video. My name is Aftab Mandal. Goodbye.